Okay, hello everyone. This is Grace Arthur here today, and for my PowerPoint, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite albums. So let's move on here. So, for my first album, I have Trilogy by The Weeknd. It is one of the earliest musical projects he put out. It was released almost 10 years ago. It features 30 different songs, and they're about dark topics such as heartbreak and drugs. But the overall dark lyrics, they are The Weeknd's voice shadows over them because he just has such a beautiful, relaxing voice. The album has like a contemporary R&B feel to it with some pop sprinkled in. And yeah, it's a great song to kind of just vibe to, not song, sorry, album to kind of just vibe to and listen. And yeah, alrighty, the next album I have. Another album by The Weeknd. It's called Starboy. Although the songs on this album are basically have like the same meanings as the one on Trilogy, this album is completely different. It has an upbeat 80s pop feel to it. The Weeknd, received some backlash from his original fans because it was just so different from what he had put out before, but I think it was done greatly. It was a collaboration with Daft Punk, so a lot of the songs use lots of synthesizer. Before it just has like a more pop 80s feel, and it's just an album, it makes you want to get up and dance. Alrighty. The next album I have is Electra Heart by Marina and the Diamonds. It is a classic for the mid-2000s alternative grunge pop genre. This album actually was very iconic. It changed the way dark pop was viewed for a long time. Songs like Teen Idol and How to Be a Heartbreaker and other hits, they are still very popular to this day. This album talks about as eating disorders, mental illness, and wanting to be loved. However, Marina's vocals and the instrumentals, it just makes you want to listen to the album on repeat over and over again. A lot of the songs are relatable to both men, women, and everyone in between. Alrighty, next album is Por Vida by Kali Uchis. Por Vida came out in 2015. This is a shorter album, only featuring 9 songs, but it is originally what got me into Kali Uchis. It is one of her more underground works, but I love every song on this EP. A lot of the songs are about love. As I have typed out, some of the songs tackle subjects like female independency. The songs are mixed with R&B, pop, and Latin sounds. Some of the songs make you feel like you're filled with cotton candy, and other songs make you want to run away and start a new life. The diversity of this EP will have you utterly entranced with it. Alrighty, my number 1 album is Control by SZA. It is an R&B and funk album, and the vocals and instrumentals of this album are to die for. But the meanings behind the songs is what got me so hooked to it. All the songs, not just a portion, I don't know why I put a portion, they are about the hard side of growing up and becoming an adult. Adulthood is exciting but a scary time for everyone as everyone tries to figure out what they're doing with their lives. And it is reflected perfectly in this album through SZA's angelic voice and catchy beats. This is the album, it's a perfect album to cry and laugh to. It's very real, transparent, it's beautiful, humbling album I will never get tired of. Alrighty. My last slide is just the icons used, crediting the icon creators in this PowerPoint. And yeah, that's my PowerPoint. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed.